Hey guys, I'm back, and I just discovered that my graphics are fine in Minecraft. I just need to speed up, and the graphics will be a second. And how's this for you? Because I just discovered this is Minecraft, not like any frolic on my screen or whatever. This is Minecraft. So maybe kind of 2D. Oh well, Minecraft is 2D. Get used to it. And the clouds are 2D. I mean, come on. What else could be 2D? So I say that we go on the ground and see what we can find, and I'll give you some tips for those people who have farm out in, like the sheep, like me, unfortunately. Oh, that's what we do. So I'm gonna get prepared. Need pickaxe. No, I'm just gonna bring this stuff, kind of junk. Not junk, but you get it. And I'm gonna show you guys how to survive down here and get the stuff that you need. So, let's park it. Now, if you want to do this, here's a little tip and secret for people I've been doing on surviving. If you're gonna do this, and go on the ground for a while. I guess the gold. Well, here's the tip. Okay, go to my home. Always find a place that had like those railroad things. That's what those were called, but find a place like that. Then park it there. If you can't, that's okay, just deal with it. Okay. Ooh. That was really nice, because now I have wood, don't I? And I didn't know I was running across it. Holy jeez. So yeah. Kind of like chicken. Cobblestone. That. Dang it. Gold. No, leave it. Then you'll have wood. And oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my goodness. It's only 9:06. I'm gonna kill myself now, guys. It's only 9:06. And 6 gold. Don't care. Oh, how classical. Fly through lava. Ha ha. Burn me. Yay. Then, well, make sure you don't go too far away. So don't bring anything like diamond. Meant to get the chest. Oh, thanks for starting to. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go and put one. There we go. So it can help me. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video compared to other videos I had, so this was it. And hope this helped you if you're doing an underground series. So yeah, and goodbye.